Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Tuesday, February 1st. We have a brand new month, brand new calendar, and a brand new number corner that we need to take care of for the day. Let's flip the first card. When we flip it, what do you think will be on it? We've had a lot of different things each month on our calendars. Let's find out what's on this one. Wow. Okay. We have two shapes. Shape A and shape B. How many sides do we have on shape A? Let's count. It's a triangle. So we have 1, 2, 3 sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 little dots in shape A on the bottom. On shape B, we have 1, 2, 3 sides for shape B with 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on the bottom. This month with Number Corner, we're going to talk about, first of all, are we able to count the number of sides that each shape has? And we're going to talk about if the sides are congruent. When we say they're congruent, we mean, do these triangles actually, are they the same size and the same shape? If they are the same size and they are the same shape, we say that they are congruent. So I want to ask you, All Stars, is shape A congruent to shape B? If you said yes, you are absolutely correct. Great job, All Stars. We now need to look at our days in school. We have here another day we're adding to our chart. Oh my goodness, that means we're getting close to the 100th day of school. Yes. So we'll add on another day that makes it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92 days that we've been together. 92. So we'll change all of our information here to 92. 92 here. 92 here. 9 groups of 10 and 2 ones. We have 70 plus 10, which is 80, plus another 10, which is 90, plus 2. Then we have 9 dimes and 2 pennies. That would make 92. Can you think of another way that we can make the number 92? That would be cool. Here's what I'd like you to do, All Stars, for the remaining time of Number Corner today. I would like you to actually count going forwards and backwards. And we've talked about this. Can you start counting from the number 80 and go all the way up to 110? And then once you reach the number 110, I want you to count backward from the number 110 all the way to the number 80. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Off you go, All Stars.